Today on GarageGuruTV, I show you how easy it is to add 20 horsepower to a Camaro SS with a tuner from Hypertech. Hi, this is DJ Martin from GarageGuruTV, and today I will be featuring a product from Hypertech Tuners, the Max Energy Power Programmer 2.0. We'll be featuring it on our 2011 Camaro SS project vehicle that was featured in episodes 1 and 2 of GarageGuruTV. In those episodes, we installed a Spectre engine dress-up kit, as well as an air-raid cold air intake and a Powerade throttle body spacer. This little device is extremely powerful. It will tune your transmission as well as your motor for more power, and it can also change your rev limiter and your top speed limiter. And if you've added a different ring and pinion or changed your tire size, it will correct your speedometer as well as your odometer. It can also change your fuel management, read and diagnose trouble codes, and is always internet updatable if a new tune comes available. But the best part is, it's 50 state legal. Let me show you how to put this into your car. So when you open up your box, first thing you're going to see is your programmer. You want to pull the programmer out. Then the next thing you'll need to install it on your vehicle is the OBD2 to the programmer cable. Set the box aside. With the vehicle off, you want to connect the cable to your programmer. Then you want to find your OBD2 port. It's usually located in the driver's side footwell. Connect that there. And we see it starts booting up. And you just basically read all the instructions on the screen. So now it says turn key to run. Please turn the key to run, but do not start the engine, then press OK to continue. Go OK. It has now read the VIN from our vehicle, and we should be tuning any second now. We went into the tuning section, and we hit the Customize Tune button. Now it's going to start reading the vehicle and analyzing how this vehicle works, and once it reaches 100%, we'll enter some different diagnostics about the vehicle in order to allow it to tune the vehicle. Okay, so now let's go into engine tuning. And we're going to do, since we're in California, 91 octane, because 93 octane isn't found here. Go down to rev limiter. We're going to leave our rev limiter stock as we don't have any supporting mods to let it rev higher. Top speed limiter, we're going to leave that stock because this one doesn't limit us as to how fast we can go. Tire size, we have stock tires on this vehicle. Gear ratio, we have the stock gear ratio in our vehicle as well. Ooh, and the 1-to-4 skip shift. The 1-to-4 skip shift locks you out of gears 2 and 3 on many domestic vehicles using a manual transmission nowadays. It's a quite annoying feature if you're trying to drive your car, since it locks you out of certain gears you may want. So we're going to go ahead and disable that. Then we're going to, once we've been through all of our different programs as to what we want our vehicle to be programmed as, we're going to hit flash. Now that the tune has been flashed into the vehicle, we're now going to name our tune. Many people name their tunes by the octane rating, so we're going to name this the 91 octane tune. Now it's rating our DTCs. No TTCs reported, that's always good to see. At this time we're just going to let it do its job. We're at 100%. The next page should be loading any second. What you'll learn when you'll tune one of these vehicles, it's a lot of sit around and wait once you tune the vehicle. Once again, it's good to note that this tuner is 50 state legal. You're allowed to pass smog with this tune. If you do not have a 50 state legal tune, you won't be able to pass smog, you won't be able to register your vehicle. It's also good to note on the AFM equipped vehicles, such as certain Camaros, which will shut off certain cylinders, this tuner can deactivate and tune this system. Seems that we've finished our next page. Let's see what's coming up next. Please turn the key to off. Press OK to continue. Wait 30 seconds. I feel like we've done that way too much. Now it says please turn the key to run, but do not start the engine. Press OK to continue. It says the writing is complete. Now it's going to start verifying another percentage page. Now please turn the key to off. Press OK to continue. Please unplug or press OK to restart the programmer. Okay. So now we're allowed to unplug it. Now the tune should be in our vehicle. Let's go take it for a ride. And lastly, we have the most strenuous part of this entire install, putting the Scarb sticker into your engine bay so you don't have any issues with your stock technician. See how difficult this is? You just have to peel it off and stick it on. Well, I just got the Camaro back from its inaugural run with the Hypertech tune engine, and I can definitely tell you there's a difference. There's no placebo effect here. My butt dyno easily felt 20 more horsepower and the same number in torques. If you want to see what Hypertech has for your vehicle, go to hypertech.com for more details on their products. Thank you for tuning in to Garage Guru TV. I'll see you around.